आपको पता है टोक्यो जापान में चंद्र बोस जी का मंदिर है।
चंद्र बोस जी का मंदिर?
See the temple of Subhash Chandra Ji. Not only that, the former president Vajpayee Ji also came here and he wrote many things on his words. The girl told that in the time of independence, Subhash Chandra Ji came to Japan and again he go for another place where he died. And after died, that the ashes of him and the body of him came back to here and placed it here. About this there are many things written. She also told that there was many complications and many fact arises due to of the death of the Subhash Chandra Ji, but still there are something written on this temple. So if you want to know what was there, you should see. Whenever it's time to come to our idol, one and only name to come in our mouth, especially the youth's mouth, there is none other than Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Ji is a different kind of people. He's a different kind of man. He's a man of truth. He's a man of power. He's a man of courage. Whenever we need motivation, inspiration for anything, we used to remember Netaji Subhash Chandra. Even nowadays also, youth used to follow Netaji for doing any work. But do you know that there was a temple of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose where people used to come worship him, used to come remember him? You never know, right? Today I am going to tell you about this. Have you ever seen the videos of social media influencer named Mayo Japan? A girl and a boy who used to do videos of some different or various places. Maybe we don't know some of the places. And here I got a video where she used to not only told but she proved that there was a temple in Japan, Tokyo. And she also said that if you ever came to visit Japan, then please go and see the